Okay guys, today I'm transforming this hair with a simple ponytail using my hairband, pin and a wig closure. And honestly, this method is too easy not to try. First thing first, I'm starting with clean, relaxed and moisturized hair because I want everything to lay flat and look neat. I'm brushing my hair backwards carefully with a comb and packing it into a tight ponytail. You don't want any bumps, so take your time with the brushing part. Here, I'm tying my hair firmly with a band to make sure that the ponytail is strong enough to hold the style. Trust me, a strong base makes the whole look better. Now that my natural hair is secured, I'm going in with my gel to slick everything down. This is what really gives that clean salon finish. I like to brush as I apply so the hair blends smoothly together. Here, I'm laying my edges lightly because I don't want anything too dramatic today. Just something soft and pretty to frame my face. Honestly, this hairstyle is perfect when you want to look put together without spending hours at the salon. It's simple, neat, and beginner friendly too. It's something you can do at home by yourself and still look very classy and pretty without spending a dime. Now for the main magic. Here I'm adjusting the closure little by little until I'm happy with the placement. I'll be positioning it carefully on the little bone I made earlier. This part is very important because I want it to look like it was fixed directly on my hair. Here I'm wrapping it around slowly and securely so it feels tight and looks full. The wrapping part always changes the whole look instantly. I took two small pieces of the hair to wrap around the base of the ponytail just to hide the band and to give it that professional finish. As you can see, you wrap it around until you're done with the pieces of hair that you take out. At this point, the style is already coming together beautifully. Look at how clean this looks already. So after I'm done with the wrapping, I have to use the pin I showed you people earlier on to secure it at the back so that it will be strong, firm. In case of any kind of movement, the wig will not drop. You understand what I mean? Honestly guys, I did this. I can't believe it. You people should not mind the blurry of my video. Honestly, I tried as much as possible to make this video because at that particular time the weather was bad. It was raining and everywhere the room was so dark. I even have to put light in order to make this video because I do not know when I will be able to do this. So I have to lighten it to make it a bit okay for viewing. Can see the hair is already secure. There's nothing else we are doing apart from bringing a little piece of hair from the wig so that we'll wrap it more around to secure it again. They're not going to know except you tell them. Nobody will know except you tell them. Tiny details like this really makes hairstyles look so expensive. And guys, can we talk about the length and volume of this hair? The hair come fine now that I use it as a ponytail, unlike when I put it on as a wig. This ponytail is giving classy, soft, and elegant at the same time. At this point, I'm trying to, brush the hair so that it will be smooth. Because at the process of putting the ponytail, some particles of my hair, flew up. So I was using my comb to brush them. I even have to apply gel at the back, to make everything look like it was done somewhere. It was at home. Okay, can you see? This is another style you can use. If you wrap it up, the hair stay fine. If you take it down, the hair stay fine. Anyhow you want to do it, the hair they can be. And this is the final look, guys. Sleek ponytail with a flawless wig. Who will know that this is a wig that I used to install as a ponytail? Nobody will know. Tell me in the comment section, would you rock this hairstyle? Because me personally, I'm obsessed. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, like, follow, comment. Thank you for watching all my videos. I so much appreciate it. Bye until we meet again in the next video. Mwah.